He has a waterside view, a sunny aspect, and all the food he could wish for. But it's so desirable, this large male wants to move in. And he's not the sharing type. When it comes to a basilisk showdown, bigger is better. He stands no chance in a fight, and forced to the edge of his territory, he must leave the only home he's ever known. But trapped by the river, he'll need a miracle to escape. He can walk on water. His rear feet are almost half the size of his leg. And he uses them to stop himself sinking, slapping them hard against the water to create an air pocket. Then he lifts his foot out of the bubble before it bursts. An extraordinary means of escape. No wonder he's also known as the Jesus Christ lizard. Working out how to leave home is just the start of the battle. The next great challenge is deciding where to go.